How to translate PDF files to different languages in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web browser on your phone. Go to the search bar, type in Translate PDF. From the search results, find and select smallpdf.com. Once on the website, tap the Choose Files button to begin the upload process. Here, select Choose Files from the pop-up menu to open your phone's file manager. Navigate to your files, select the PDF document you want to translate, and tap on Open. The website will upload and analyze your document. Once analyzed, choose the option to translate the entire document and tap on Translate. Now, tap the Language drop-down menu at the top and select your desired language. The tool will then begin translating your document into the chosen language. After a few moments, the translated text will be displayed on your screen for you to read. Following these steps, you can easily translate PDF files to different languages on an iPhone.